The product is a patent-pending pool table lighting system. So it's LED lights that you put between the bumper and the table. You control an application on your phone, and there are a bunch of different modes to reach everybody that plays pool. There's sound sensitivity, so it'll bump to the music and the party. There's patterns. There's call your shot, so you can select what pocket you're aiming for. The lights will show you what pocket you're aiming for. You can adjust the style, the color. The Billight app started, I would say, like last year with the very basic patterns and the sound sensitivity. And then since then, it's just been like adding something on the pool table side, working on the Thunkable app to match it. I love Thunkable because it's very easy, it's very simple, it's a no-code platform. I love that they don't have to sit there with Java, Python, and try to integrate a bunch of different languages. Thunkable is that bridge between industry expertise and professionalism, and if you want to build an app, this is the easiest and best way to do it.